Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oma MJ here again, and like I always say, if this is your first time stumbling on my channel, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and of course the notification bell to give you the alert each time I post any new video. So guys, like I said in some of my videos, I have been learning how to cook some Korean delicacies. Yeah, because over here it's kind of hard to get African food stuff, so I just deal with what I have at hand. They say if you cannot get what you have, then make use of no, if you cannot get what you want, make use of what you have. So today I'm gonna be cooking Korean tofu soup. Yes, well, I don't actually cook it like Koreans do because they like it very spicy, but I just do it the way my husband likes it. So over here I have with me some mushroom. Here is a broccoli, and here I have some green pumpkin, and this is a yellow bell pepper, and of course I'm gonna add the red bell pepper too. And here I have, this is 1 gram of tofu. Yeah, 500 makes it 1 gram of tofu. And here I have just 1 potatoes, and of course I'm gonna be using one of these carrots. I think should be 500 grams, so I'm gonna be using 1 gram of it. And yeah, so these are basically all the ingredients I'm gonna be needing for this recipe. And here inside my pot I have already some chicken. Yeah, normally Koreans will not add chicken, but I just like adding because I think MJ should eat some too. If it's just the vegetables, she's not gonna really like it, so I usually add chicken to us so that MJ can eat. So let's get together and start cooking. Okay guys, let's start cooking. So that's my chicken on the fire. I haven't added anything yet. So this recipe is so simple. It's like what we call pepper soup back home. Yeah, so over here is my tofu. You see, that's how it always drips of water. So I had to strain the water. Now I'm adding the tofu. I had to chop in bits. So I'm adding my tofu, and oops, sorry guys, my kitchen is quite small. And there is the green pumpkin I'm adding as well. And here I have my broccoli all washed and chopped. I had to do this behind cameras in order to save time. Yeah, so this is what I usually prepare on Sunday morning, but because tomorrow I have to really take a rest, I just want to do it this night. And here is my tomatoes chopped, washed and chopped. I'm adding it in. Here I have my yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and there is my carrots. So I'm just adding everything in. It's going to cook as a whole. A pot full of delicious veggies. Just look at the color, the mixtures. Oh my god, so nice. And for the seasoning, I'm adding this chicken bouillon powder. Yes, just to give the chicken that perfect taste. Adding just a spoon, and that's it. But if you don't have chicken bouillon powder, you can go with your regular beef soup stock. Yes, also I'm adding sesame oil. I love this a lot. It's just for that aroma. I really love it. Koreans add it in almost like all what they cook. So I'm adding like a spoon, 1 tablespoon, and of course I'll be adding just a spoon or 2 of regular beef soup stock. Back home we call it Maggi. And I'll be adding some salt. Like I'm using my hand. That's what we usually do back home. Just like the measurement is in the head, but this should be like a teaspoon or so. Yeah, so that the taste is not too much. And just because your boy doesn't like spicy food, I have my hot pepper powder. So I'm adding just a teaspoon. So basically that's it, because your boy is not a fan of spicy food, so I have to cook according to His Majesty. And oh, before I even forget, he was the one that found out about this soup, because one time I went to the hospital and I was told that I have kind of anemia, and we were doing research on what could boost up my blood level aside the blood pills that I usually take. So we found out this soup could help. As you can see, the broccoli and the tofu, they are a major source of iron, so that's why I go with them in huge quantities. And here is my mushroom, so I'm adding it in too. And of course, last but not the least, my garlic and ginger. I'm going with 2 tablespoons of this. Yeah, and that's it. My pot is ready to cook. So this is 1000 ml of water. This is a measuring cup by the side. So I don't know if it's visible, but by the side you can see. So I'm adding 1 cup. And wow, and here is 500. Okay, so now my pot is ready to be oh my god, this is so delicious. My family as a whole, we really love this. It's really nutritive. I like it a lot. It's like a normal weekend menu. Yes, because my husband always says that cook that pepper soup. He says cook that Korean pepper soup. And of course I have some vegetable oil. that's it. I'm going with not like half a cup, so you can decide if you like too much oil. So this is like half a cup of, that's 250 mils of oil. Right, you can decide to add more if you want, but for us we just like it with or without oil. So that's my pot. So guys, I'm gonna let this cook for I think 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, once the chicken is ready, I think the pot is also ready, so I'll update you guys after 20 minutes. Okay, let this cook. So guys, I just came to check my pot and it's been cooking for like 30 minutes. Yes, because I had to wait for everything to cook very well and blend. So this is my delicious pot of Korean tofu soup. But if you are in Africa and you can't get all the ingredients, just deal with what you have. If you must cook this soup, then just deal with what you have in your country or wherever you are. So this is the recipe I wanted to share with you all. As you can see, it's not fully cooked here because we want most of the nutrients to be retained. Oh, MJ is crying, sorry guys. We want most of the nutrients to be retained, so you see like everything is just partly or half cooked. So all the ingredients you can see, and we are going to have this with some gogoma. Yeah, with some gogoma. Gogoma is Korean sweet potatoes or rice probably. Yeah, so this is the recipe I wanted to share with you all. I hope you cook this someday, and I hope it helps your family. So you can either have it for lunch or dinner, maybe along with other side dish of your choice. So this is my Korean tofu soup, like a pot full of mixtures, a pot full of nutrients. Yeah, my husband really loves this soup, so we always have it. It's like a stable menu for weekend. Yeah, this is what we always cook for our weekend. Because the tofu will really help me a lot to boost my blood level. So this is my pot of soup. I hope you like this video. In the end, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, most importantly, and please leave your comments in the comment section. Leave your thoughts. What do you think about this Korean recipe? Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.